Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set trending audio as a profile song on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram now has a new feature that allows users to add song to their profile. And if you want to add trending audio on your profile as your profile song, how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And you can search the trending audio or song on the Reels. Here, you can go to your Reels. Now you can scroll and search for the trending audio. As example, the trending audio, here you can see the little arrow, little trending arrow here on the audio. There is an arrow icon here on the audio. You can tap on that, like that. Now, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. There is an options like report, copy link, set as profile song, and show QR code. Of course, we have to choose on the set as profile song. Now you can settings. You can set where's this the song start. As example like this. Now you can tap on the upper right corner here. Let's go back and I'll see you my profile song. So here's my Instagram profile, and as you can see, here's the profile song that we just added. So simple, right? So that is how to set trending audio as a profile song on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, thank you and see you!